Filmmaker Chung Dha here. In this video we're going to unbox the Zhiyun Crane Plus. I'm one of the first to get this, so thank you Zhiyun for providing me with the Crane Plus, and also thank you Frank for sending it so fast to me. And they actually released it just after New Year's Eve, and I've already got one. I'm one of the first people to have it. So I'm going to unbox it and see what's inside. So here we have the box of the Zhiyun Crane Plus 3-axis. This is a misspelling here. I can see it says AIXS, so I'll have to send them about that. It should be AXIS. Now it has a maximum payload of 2.5 kilograms, camera control capability, FPV mode, and limited 360. It got a recharger, 2 batteries, 1 thumb screw, a lens support, a box. I'm not quite sure if this is a case. Now you get actually a feed with it, 3 cables. This is to upgrade firmware, and the 2 to control the camera, 1 Sony and 1 Panasonic, and there seems to be no Canon cable here, and a strap. What's here also written: max payload provided, mini tripod provided, anti-slip grip. Oh, that's this thing here maybe. And Sony and Panasonic cable included. Support FPV mode, roll axis, auto following 45-degree angle, do plus, play plus. And supported camera: Sony A7 series, Lumix, Canon M series, and Nikon J series. So this is, even though this says like pretty small cameras, but it can hold up to 2.5 kilograms. So this here, we have a sticker that we are going to open up. I like to always do it like that. And 2 tabs. Open. One here, and ta-da! It's a hard case, so it's not like the back of like the Crane 2, but it's a hard case. So we're going to open it here, and ta-da! What is inside? Okay, so we get actually this. I haven't seen what it is. Whoa. Okay, so that's not that easy to open. It's the user guide. Okay. Not quite sure if this is really needed, this envelope. Okay. A pink grip. I'm not quite sure if this is like the standard color for it, but I remember at Crane 2 I got a yellow one for this, but I haven't tried using this yet. So what we have here, from the top left here, we have the grip or the holder of the batteries, recharger, small and compact, which is always nice. The actual gimbal here have these knobs. Whoa! Kind of like these colors. This is not like the silver that they used before. This is slightly like gold champagne kind of color. So that's just different, because I noticed it on here also. This is the lens support. This is the lens support here. And this is the tripod feet. So this we can use to put under, so you don't need to buy a extra one or a one from a different brand. They have supplied it with a nice feet. Two batteries. The cable for the gimbal is probably the Sony one. It's the Panasonic one. And this is the cable, Zhiyun cable for firmware upgrades. So actually grab this section out. You can see the different knob colors here also. Let's see, this section is still the same as the Crane 2 actually. So this is still a you still need to provide your own quick release on here if you want to have a quick release. There's no quick release system on here. So that was unboxing the Zhiyun Crane Plus. If there is anything you want me to specifically try and test out, please leave a comment here below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.